Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Easy Glaze. I got a 2019 Chevy Bolt here, and I made a few videos on this Chevy, but I want to tell you guys about this great deal, Firestone. Guys, don't be afraid of cheap tires. These are SureDrive tires from Firestone. Each tire was 72 bucks, and with the installation, it came out to $400. 4 tires and installation for $400 at Firestone. I've brought a pair of cheap tires before for my Ford Explorer. So the tires at that time were $100 each for the Explorer, and that installation came out to let's say 500 bucks. I've had those tires. I had that car with those new tires for 4 years, no issues. So that's why I went ahead and went to Firestone and got the cheapest tires that I can get for my new Chevy Bolt. Listen, don't be afraid. And mind you, these SureDrive tires are made by Bridgestone. So here's the thing, guys. The generic name tires, always check who they are manufactured from. These are manufactured by Bridgestone. $400 out the door, 4 tires with the installation. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts. What I'll do, so I can make an update video in maybe a year on these tires. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think. And SureDrive, they're for other vehicles as well. But again, 2019 Chevy Bolt. All right, please give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Later.